Welcome to Pydle 130. Pydle is a daily puzzle you just solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is Among Us. It's remember the game. It was very popular as one of the characters. So have a go at solving the Pydle today. And if you're new to Pydle or you just want tips how to solve Pydles, I will now solve yesterday's Pydle. So stick around. Okay, so it's a stack of objects, so kind of showing the 3D effect. So what we're going to do, we are going to use to invert the y-axis. So we're going to start from 0 at the bottom. Pydle coordinates normally start at the top. Okay, so it doesn't change our loops. It's just how we write the Pydle statement. Okay, so probably smarter ways to do this, but I'm literally just going to have a series of if statements. First one for the reds, so that's a simple one. If x greater than 1 and y greater 1, okay, and that's where our coordinates come in. I should do 4 minus y. Okay, so that's in the right position. So let's just do the green next. Do elif. We can't just say x greater than 0 because then we're going to color the white as well. So, well, let's try that. X greater than 0 and y greater than 0. So if you just do that, then it's going to go all the way to the top. So we have to do something special with the whites. So let's do white if y equals 4, didn't quote that properly, equals 4, or x equals 4, else green. Let's see if that worked. Okay, so that worked. So that's something we can now replicate for the last one as well. Okay, so let's just copy that. And actually for this one, we're not going to use the elif. We can just do an else because all the remaining pixels need to be colored now. Okay, so again, but the white, we have to say if y greater than 2 or x greater than 2, and we do this one blue. Okay, I hope that made sense. Let's run that and make sure it actually worked. Okay, that worked. So have a go, follow along if you need to Pydle, and just see if this code works for you as well. Or try it yourself, and then do go and solve today's Pydle, which is a cute Among Us character, looking a little bit sus. So I will see you again tomorrow with a solution for this one. Okay, bye.